What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Jimmy Gamer. Rosie is driving the car. Always, we're at the car wash, right?
Right.
Yeah. So as you know, I uploaded. No, I'm making a video on my YouTube channel saying something kind of sad, and I won't be. Wait. I'll be right back for a second. Yeah, sure.
Hello, what's car wash?
How much is it?
Do you have a debit card? We
No.
can't take no cash.
What?
We have an $11 wash. Do you want that one or do you want the $8?
$8.
Okay. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
You want the receipt?
Please.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
As you guys heard, you read the title. We're doing a car wash challenge. Can I take off my seatbelt?
Yes.
All right, let's take off. Sorry, guys. This is I always get so happy and I always get crazy. Bro, look at that, bro. You have to take a video of this, bro. Look at that. Wait, let me switch the camera. Look at that. Just look at the colors, man. Just look at it. Bro, it looks so dope. Oh my god, they just changed color. Oh my god. Mommy, can I do the colors? Oh my god, dude. Bro, I know it's so shaky, but bro, I'm about to go create. Let me grab the camera. Bro, we're getting wet. Bro, I did not mean to be rude to the person that's in the video, but I'm trying to cover somebody's turn. Even the front is covered with soap. Okay, now the back. Wow. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! I stick the middle finger out. I'm sorry. Oh my god! Look at this wall. Look at that wall. Look at this wall. Look at the dang light. Oh my god, dude. Bro, we're in darkness. We're getting swallowed by it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks like we're getting... Oh my god. We're getting swallowed pushed by monsters. But it's gonna come up. Is it gonna be colors? Please be colors. So where's the colors, man?
Don't be dancing. Be
Nope.
done.
No, but why did the other car have colors? Explain to the camera. Explain.
Yeah.
Bruh. Now we're drying. The water is the the water is the craziness. As you can see. Woohoo! Shut the camera, mommy. Look at the She's Rosie. F. I didn't mean to say that. Ooh! Oh my god, bro! Look at the sound though. Look at my epic. This is how I put on my seatbelt. Buckle in. Guys, what you think of this, bro? This was kind of fun. My favorite part when... We'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, guys, let's try to get 3 subscribers and 6 likes on this video. and 7 views. And like and subscribe. And also subscribe to my channel. It's called Jimmy Gamer. Just lowercase letters, no space. Just Jimmy Gamer. Hers. You're already watching it. So we'll see you guys in the next in the next